Hello, welcome back to another video. Have you ever wondered why your Rolex starts to make a rattling noise or you feel a buzzing sensation when it's on your wrist? Well, this is the culprit. This is the auto work. This is taken off a dirty Rolex watch that we have, and here you can see the condition of it. I'll just show that round. And I'm going to show you what this auto work looks like on a watch. So this is a nice, clean, maintained Rolex. You can see the difference here in the two. That's the auto work on the one we're taking off. And this is a nice, clean, maintained Rolex. And I'll just show you the play. And what I mean by this, how free this auto weight is. So I'm just going to grab this now and just check for how much play is in there. See, there's a small amount of play, but that's good. It needs to be free because if I tip it, you'll see it drop. So it needs to be quite free, but not too free. I'll just move that around so you can see it drop a little bit better. There you go. So that winds up the watch. That movement there winds up the mainspring. Quite basic explanation, but basically that's what it does. So I'll just discard that to one side. Back to this one. So what this dirt is here, as you can see, I'll just point out, this has been rattling around. You see how wobbly this is? It's been rattling around and rubbing on the case back. And that's the noise you hear. See all this dirt in here? I'll just pick up now. It's actually a score mark as well, where it's been rubbing over time. You can see it's just picking up the dirt. So that's what that is. So that's making a noise onto the case back. So you're hearing that ding or that buzzing noise or that buzzing sensation when it's on your wrist. I'll just turn this round now and I'll show you the play again from this side. So see how free that is. So the post in here is worn. So I'll just pull this apart. Just turn that over there. So you can see all the dirt marks. That's basically dry oil and metal that's ground down to a post. You can see the stain in here. So this post, or the rotor axle as it's known, is worn away. So this watch has been out on the customer's wrist for many years, and the oil and the grease on the auto work has dried up. So these posts should be greased, and they normally last about 5-6 years. After that, the grease dries up and starts to wear, and the metal wears away. All this dirt here, the metal, goes into the movement, collects on the case back, and creates a fine powder and stops the watch eventually. Let me show you what a new rotor axle looks like. So this is what we have to replace. So this is a brand new one. So this will be these are removed, the old ones removed from the rotor weight like this. Actually punch them out and re-rivet them in. So when it comes in for a service, this will be removed and replaced with that. So this is the culprit. So when you feel like your watch is making a noise, you can start to hear it, or you find that you're getting a buzzing sensation on your wrist, this is the reason why it's doing it. But look at the damage it creates. And I'm going to show you a movement now where the rotor weight has also rubbed the case back, but also rubbed the movement. So let me just bring that one in. Now, can you see here? This isn't all nickel plating that Rolex put on. It's actually worn away down to the brass, all the way around. And that rotor weight has gone round because it's worn. It's hit the case back, and it's come round and hit the movement as well. So this one's clean, but underneath, but what would happen is all this will all go into your mechanism and eventually stop the watch. So it's always important when you feel that buzz or you can hear that rattle is to get your watch and book it in for a service, because you're causing your watch a lot of damage and a costly bill. So avoid that and just book it in for a service. Hope you found this watch video useful, and it explains a little why you should maintain your watch and also what creates that noise. Because we have lots of customers pop in and go, my watch is making a noise, I don't know what it is, and 9 times out of 10 that rotor post on here is all worn away. Thanks for watching.